Hello guys, hope you are good. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make banana pancakes. If you have never eaten banana pancakes, you should try this recipe. So guys, let's get started. So guys, to make your pancake you'll need the following ingredients. Here I have self-raising flour. This is the best for making pancakes. But if you don't have this, you can use the normal flour, the all-purpose flour, and add baking powder. So here I have milk, I have vanilla flavor, I have 2 eggs, I have melted margarine, I have sugar, then I have banana, since we are going to make banana pancakes. I'll start by adding the ingredients into my blender. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, sugar, eggs, melted margarine, vanilla flavor, and then banana. I'm using one ripe banana. Then lastly, milk. So I'm just going to blend it. After blending, I am going to transfer it in a clean bowl. So next I'm going to start cooking the pancakes. I'm applying margarine in the pan. This is to prevent pancakes from sticking in the pan.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.